In the past day, Maryland reports 1,200 new coronavirus cases. A dozen more patients are in the hospital and 14 more in the ICU. Hello again, I'm Max McGee. Some towns and cities across the state are starting to implement more restrictions. Of course, WJZ is live again tonight. Stetson Miller has more on how they're handling the spike in the latest numbers. Stetson.
Max, today Maryland saw the largest increase in cases since May 19th. Now some places like Baltimore City are taking steps to stop the spiking numbers.
There's still a lot of transmission in this area. We all need to be very vigilant.
Maryland is now reporting more than 83,000 cases of the coronavirus, up nearly 1,300 from Friday. Hospitalizations and intensive care patients are also up.
This is not going away, and we all need to do our part.
Leaders in some parts of Maryland, like Anne Arundel County, have now started implementing more restrictions to stop the spread of the virus. Now restaurants in the county have to close indoor operations by 10 p.m. Indoor social gatherings can't be more than 25 people, and food courts and shopping malls are now limited to carry-out only. While the positivity rate remains low, infections are high, causing concerns among officials.
There was no question that something needed to happen. Our goal was to keep people working as much as possible, to especially our hourly workers that are in our restaurants and bars.
Baltimore has taken re-implementing restrictions a step further. The city no longer allows indoor dining, and everyone 2 and older has to wear a face mask.
It is harder for us to control, and that we really do depend more and more on everyone following the rules, wearing a mask, keeping their distance.
And any restaurant that fails to comply with those restrictions in Anne Arundel County could face up to $500 in fines. We're live in Fells Point. Stetson Miller for WJZ.